In part 1, we built a tic-tac-toe board, created reusable square components, and added state so players could alternate between X and O. In this video, we're going to turn that board into an actual game. Let's start with a simpler problem. Inside handle square click, we already received the index of whichever square the player clicked. That means we can use that index to check the current value of the square before doing anything else. I'm adding an if statement at the beginning of the function. If squares at this index already contains a value, we immediately return from the function. An empty square contains null, but an occupied square contains either X or O. So if this condition is true, the rest of the click handler never runs. Now we can move on to the main feature for this video, detecting a winner. A tic-tac-toe board has only 8 possible ways to win. There are 3 horizontal rows, 3 vertical columns, and 2 diagonals. Because our board is already represented by an array, we can describe every winning line using array indexes. This function receives our current squares array. Now we need to go through those combinations and check whether any of them contain the same player 3 times. The first condition makes sure the first square actually contains a value. Then we check whether the value at A equals the value at B. And finally, whether the value at A also equals the value at C. I'm creating a constant called winner. Every time the board changes and React renders again, we call calculate winner using the current squares array. If there is no winner, this value will be null. If somebody has one, it will contain either X or O. We can use that winner value to update the status text above the board. Let's test the winner logic. There are still a few things missing before the game feels completely finished. Right now, if nobody wins and the board fills up, we don't display a draw. There's also no way to start another game without refreshing the page. In part 3, we'll add draw detection, a play button, scorekeeping, and some final polish to finish the project.